Welcome to our cook show. We are trying to mash really sad avocados.
Like trying to crush a rock.
Like trying to crush a rock. I was about to say these are poopy avocados, but that does not sound right. I'm gonna break her masher. I'm gonna break her masher. Look, y'all. I'm gonna break the masher. I done made this thing smoke. Okay, it was smoking. It was smoking. It was smoking. And we just want some guac. That's all we want. That's all I ask for. That's all we want. Is that too much to ask? We are struggling.
If you don't break your teeth on this guacamole. Legit, like a couple of really hard.
We're desperate for this guacamole. Oh my word! Say an extra blessing over my guacamole. Lord, be the power of the name of Jesus over this guacamole. Okay.
Hard piece. Look at it.
Look at this!
It's like rubber. It's like the other piece.
It's rubber.
I'm serious. It's look. Nope. It's gotta go in the trash.
Gotta go in the trash.
Nobody wants to eat that.
No, where's the rubber? Where's the rubber one? Where's the rubber avocado? Did we throw it away?
I think so.
Oh. I was trying all my strength to break the avocado and it was not bending. I think someone put a fake avocado in there. Look at that! Look at that. Just look at it. Just look at it. We won't tell anybody that we made them guac from rubber. Okay. Shh. No, no.
It's our secret.
Shh. Wait. It's good. Guacamole. We'll be right back for episode 2 of whatever's going on. I don't know. Welcome to episode 2 of attempting to make chicken enchiladas. I have the chicken in here. I have a little piece of avocado on my lip. At 4:25. If you missed episode 1, you should go definitely see it. It was an interesting experience. If I was trying to make guacamole out of rubber avocados. In here for an hour. Let's see. Ooh, smoke.
That's from the pans that were left in there.
Smoke it.
That is not my chicken smoking.
Okay. Voila. Voila. And it is. Alright. That one's done. Let's move on to the next one. I'm naming this one Jerry. Woo. They are both done. Jack and Jerry are done.
Jerry.
That's Jack and that's Jerry.
You mean it's not Jack and Jill?
No, it's Jack and Jerry. Jack and Jerry.
Jack and Jerry went in the oven. We cooked the enchiladas.
Wow. If people didn't understand that we were talking about chicken, they'd be like, Jack and Jerry got cooked in the oven to be turned into enchiladas. It's a goodness. We might be here for a while, folks. Might be here for a while. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more to shred beautifully. And I'm sure everyone would be so excited to sit here for like 20 minutes and watch as she shreds the chicken. Well, I would get tired, so I'm gonna let you go. Come back on episode 3 of attempting to make chicken. Attempting to make chicken enchiladas.
Without falling down.
Update on whatever this is cooking show. This chicken is way too tough, so she has to use scissors.
I'm not using scissors.
I made a knife. I know English. I know the difference between a scissor and a knife. Forgive me for my language problems. I have language problems. Beautums. Put the cheese in there. Put the chicken. Roll it. And it brings it over to this pan. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, which one's Jack and which one's Jerry? Which one's Jack and which one's Jerry? I don't know. Just putting this enchilada sauce. Then put cheese on top of the enchilada sauce. Voila. And then cilantro. I love cilantro. I could eat it by itself. But certain someone who lives in our house does not like cilantro. Boo-hoo. Boo-hoo that guy.
Just a little garnish because, yes, somebody is not too crazy about cilantro, so.
So difficult. So picky.
Sparingly.
It ruined this enchilada. Ruined my life.
That's bad. Your life depends on cilantro that much. You're in bad shape.
Right, now we're putting in the oven at 425 without any gloves.
Because it's not hot yet.
Because we're crazy.
Now when it comes out of the oven, we'll need gloves.
Nah.
We'll let you get that without gloves.
This is a great cooking show. We teach great safety measures. Gloves are for sissies. Toughen up.
Wow.
And now we take cheap aluminum foil, very cheap aluminum foil. Put this guy in the aluminum foil. Why are we putting this guy in the aluminum foil?
Because I'm saving it as extra.
Oh! Okay, we saved that for later.
Foil is terrible.
Cheap aluminum foil. Save this guy.
It's not a guy. It's a piece of cooked chicken.
It's a guy. Pat. It's a piece of Jerry. Pat. The tough chicken had to go in the trash. Just like the tough avocado had to go to the trash. Let's just say that this meal has been very tough. We are struggling.
You're supposed to stay positive when we're
All these very tough things.
Don't tell about all of our tough food.
No, it's a life lesson. Sometimes things get tough.
Okay.
And so you just have to throw them out because it ain't working. Don't throw it out. It ain't working. Come back in our next episode where we wash apples. It's really exciting.
We're going to do a little bit of wash them.
See you. Welcome to episode 5 of this cooking show, where we were attempting to make guacamole and chicken enchiladas. Both came across some minor difficulties, but we got through it because we threw it in the trash.
We did.
But now we make something else. Pineapple cobbler, that thing. Take it.
Watch the apple.
Watch as I expertly wash these apples. Now, she would just had the knife like directly at my head. That scared me. She came at me like this as she was grabbing the apple. You're expertly cutting the apples. Now we put the apples in here. We are stirring the apples with butter. They're buttered apples. Buttered apples. Buttered apples. Serious. They're so good. Them buttered apples.
Can you do my Paula Deen impression?
Sure.
What we're doing, y'all, is we're taking this apple and we're going to cut it and put it right in this pan, just like that. Now, we're going to stir up that butter, you know, because you just can't get enough butter. And you just soak those apples in that butter. Put it back on the stove and just let that heat up a little bit. And I'm going to get some cinnamon and some sugar. And oh my word, y'all, this is going to be so good.
Not me. Ooh.
That's apple pie spice. Brown sugar in here. Because, you know, you just can't go wrong with brown sugar. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my word, y'all.
I'm going to get a little bit more butter, y'all.
We need more butter. More butter.
What was that?
me to do it that loudly. But it was supposed to be like a hurt noise for the apple because it fell out of the pan. It got hurt. The poor apple. It was bruised and all got fried. First it was cut, and then it was drowned, and then it was cut some more. And then it was buttered, and then spiced, and then bruised, and now it's being fried. You abuse apples. Abuse. So cruel. This video is going out to the apple abuse awareness movement. Apple abuse awareness movement. We need to treat our apples better. We treat our apples better.
First of all, I made this with no recipe, y'all.
She made this with no recipe. Just out of her brain. Their own brain. She's making apple spice cobbler.
Alright, we're just gonna let that simmer for a little while, y'all.
It's gonna simmer. Simmering apples. Beautimus. Totally beautimus. Come back for episode, I forget what, of cooking show for whatever else is gonna happen. I don't know. See ya. Welcome to the unknown number episode of Beautimus Kitchen. This cooking show of chicken enchiladas and apple spice cobbler. Okay, well we're actually done making it. I mean not with the cob, but with the enchiladas, yes. And this is the end result. It's like this and this. I think which one's Jack, which one's Jerry? I don't know. One of these are Jack and one of these are Jerry. Yep. And this is the guacamole. It doesn't have a name, just guac. And you missed it, we also made this salsa, which was also a struggle. This was a struggle, this was a struggle. This was a struggle, and this was a struggle, but this is not a struggle. Come back next time. See ya.